Do you ever spend time looking for a tool in the garage only to find it covered with rust? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll share a simple fix right after this.
Even if you're not a professional woodworker, you want to use the glue the pros use. And 3 out of 4 pro woodworkers trust Titebond as their choice. For building wood furniture or cabinets, to making picture frames or birdhouses, or just general repairs around the house, Titebond has the widest choice of glues to help with whatever project you want to tackle. Titebond, the right glue for your next project. Just ask the pros. For more information, visit Titebond.com or see them on Facebook.
It's easy to lose individual hand tools if they don't have a home to which they are always returned. Storing them in drawers like the ones in commercial tool cabinets is an excellent way to keep the tools neatly organized, but it takes a couple more steps to really protect them. If you just lay the tools in a drawer, they'll slide around as the drawer opens and closes. So, line each drawer with a scrap of old carpet. The carpet provides enough friction to stop the sliding, but it won't stop rust without one more step. Spray each piece of carpet with a light coat of silicone lubricant. As the lubricant rubs off on each tool, it gives it a protective coating that prevents rust, so the tools are ready when you need them. I'm Danny Lipford with Tip for Today's Homeowner.